Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn to talk about your family. And this is a lesson on common nouns. So, who are in a family? Sino ang nasa isang pamilya? Who are, sino ang. In, nasa. A, isang. Family, pamilya. In a family, there are people in the role of father, mother, or child. And father in Filipino is ama. Mother is ina. Child is anak. These are the first common nouns in this lesson. Let us use a family or pamilya of 5 people to learn common nouns. This family has a father or ama, mother, ina, and children. Each of these kids is called anak. Now, the parents are collectively known as mga magulang, and the children are collectively known as mga anak. We will look at the relationship of the members of this family with each other. Let us look at some sentences to show how to use those common nouns that we just learned. I am Jane. Ako po si Jane. I am, ako. Po is to show respect if we are talking to someone older than us or someone we work for. And we use si Jane because whenever we refer to a person by name, we use the word si plus the name. My parents are Joy and John. Sila Joy at John po ang mga magulang ko. My ko. Parents, mga magulang. Now, to refer to Joy and John, we use sila. Because when we refer to more than one person, we use sila instead of si. Here is a different version. I am the child of Joy and John. Ako po ang anak nila Joy at John. The, ang, child, anak. And you notice that to refer to Joy and John here, we used nila with a letter N instead of sila. When we use nila, this is the possessive form because the child or anak belongs to Joy and John. Now let us continue to learn common nouns by looking at the relationship of the father and mother. The father is first a man or lalaki. He is also a spouse or asawa. He is a husband or asawang lalaki. The mother is a woman or babae. She is also a spouse or asawa. And she is a wife, asawang babae. Together, in English, we know them as husband and wife. In Filipino, they are collectively known as mag-asawa. Now let us look at the father and his first child. We already know that the father is ama. He is also a dad or tatay to his child. The child or kid is an anak or bata. He is a boy or batang lalaki. He is a son or anak na lalaki. Together, they are father and son, and collectively they are called mag-ama or magtatay. The Filipino word is based on the role that is older in age. In this case, the father or ama is older than the son, so they are mag-ama. And the father is also called dad or tatay, and they can also be called mag-tatay. Now here, you see mag-ama has a dash, but magtatay does not have a dash. In Filipino, when we attach the prefix mag to a word that starts with a vowel, we use dash. But if the word starts with a consonant, we do not use a dash. Now let us look at the relationship of the father and his daughter. So, father is ama. He is also a dad or tatay. The girl is a child or kid, so she is anak or bata. She is also a girl, batang babae. And she is a daughter, anak na babae. Together, they are father and daughter. So they are mag-ama. And they are also magtatay. Now let us look at the mother and the son. So the son is a child or kid, anak, bata. He is a boy, so batang lalaki. And he is a son, anak na lalaki. She is a mother or ina and is also mom or nanay. Together, they are mother and son, and they can be called mag-ina or mag-nanay. Based on what we have learned so far, when we talk about the mother and her daughter, she is a mother or ina, a mom or nanay. The young girl is a child or kid, anak, bata. She is a girl, batang babae. And she is also a daughter, anak na babae. So collectively, what do we call them? They are mother and daughter, mag-ina or magnanay. Let us look at some sentences to show the use of the common nouns that we just learned. My wife and child are with me. Kasama ko ang asawa at anak ko. My, ko. Wife, asawa. And, at. Child, anak. With me, kasama ko. This can be expressed as kasama ko ang mag-ina ko. Because that wife and child are also mag-ina. My wife and children are here too. Nandito din ang asawa at mga anak ko. Children, mga anak, are here, nandito. To, din. This can be expressed as nandito din ang mag-iina ko. Well, what is that word mag-iina? That is what we will learn next. Remember that there are three children or mga anak, and between the father or ama, dad or tatay, and his children, they are collectively known as father and children, mag-a-ama. So, when we want to refer to the father and more than one child, we say mag-a-ama. So, between the mother or ina, mom or nanay, and her children, mga anak, they are collectively known as mother and children, mag-iina. Whenever we refer to a mother and more than one child, we use mag-iina. Now let us look at the children and their relationship with each other. He is a sibling or kapatid. He is a boy, batang lalaki. He is a brother, kapatid na lalaki. Now, each of these two girls are a sibling or kapatid, girl, batang babae, a sister, kapatid na babae. And together, they are siblings. So the relationship between two siblings, if we want to refer to two siblings, magkapatid. If we want to refer to more than two siblings, magkakapatid. Let us talk more about the relationship of the siblings. He is also a big brother or kuya. And the girls are younger siblings or nakakabatang kapatid. Together, they are big brother and siblings. So between the big brother and one sibling, we call them magkuya. And if it is referring to big brother and more than one sibling, magkukuya. Let us look at the sisters. She is a big sister or ate. And the younger one, the younger sibling is nakakabatang kapatid. To refer to a big sister and her younger siblings, we say mag-ate if it is referring to a big sister and one sibling. If they happen to have another younger sibling, so between the big sister and more than one younger sibling, we use mag-a-ate. Now let us look at sentences to show the use of the common nouns that we just learned. Where are the kids? Nasaan ang mga bata? Where, nasaan? The, ang, kids, mga bata. Where are our children? Nasaan ang mga anak natin? Our, natin. Children, mga anak. The kids are playing. Naglalaro ang mga bata. The kids, ang mga bata. Playing, naglalaro. Or we can say, naglalaro ang magkapatid. Because the children or the siblings are magkapatid. So we have learned about the family or pamilya and the common nouns to describe each member as well as the relationship between each member. Now when we refer to members of this family, let's say two of them together, they are magka-pamilya. But more than two of them, to refer to more than two of them, magkakapamilya. Of course, your family also extends to your relatives or mga kamag-anak. Among them are your granddad or lolo, grandma is lola, uncle is tío or tito, auntie is tía or tita, a cousin is pinsan, a nephew or niece is pamangkin, and a grandchild is apo. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. For your homework, write a list of people in your family and even your extended family, and the Filipino words for how they are related to you. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!